everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's 18th Halloween look. We are 13 days away from Halloween, which is super exciting. Which also means I am unboxing my 13 spooky Funko Pop horror characters box on my TikTok. I'll link it down below so you guys can see it and watch them all and see who I get in my little advent calendar that I got for my birthday, which will be in another haul, another video, and there's lots of videos coming, okay? But today we are doing the 18th look, and that is going to be a lava monster. So I'm going to body paint myself as a lava monster. I will say this video is not really going to be educational. It's going to be more so me painting, you watching, more of kind of like a time lapse, so everything will be really fast. This is a super simple look. You can just follow along without me telling you what to do. So let's get started. I have no idea the headache this is giving me trying to go in between all these little sections. Ah! Anyway, this is where we're at. I am filling in the lava space between the rock space. So this is the magma that I am filling in right now. Alright, so the orange and black paint is done. I am going to throw some yellow in here to highlight, but I want to get my eyes done. So I'm going into my Urban Decay palette. I'm taking the color Deadbeat, which is a black, and I am swirling this all over my eyes. So that creates like another piece of rock, and then underneath as well. I really don't think the black is dark enough. I'm gonna take that same color Deadbeat, which, not gonna lie, it does have glitter in it, like it does have a sparkle, but I think that'll make it look more rock-like, like the little pieces that kind of reflect light. And I'm gonna fill in some of the spaces I just don't think are dark enough. Alright, so everything is darkened in. Now I'm going to start adding highlights around the black. Alright, so I'm totally highlighted, painted, ready to go. Now we're going to put on my wig, which I think is the perfect wig for this, honestly. So here is my finished lava person monster look. If you guys liked it, make sure you like it down below. Make sure you leave me a comment saying if you liked it or not. I feel like if I could make this like stick up more, it would be better, but we work with what we have, right? So that is it for me today. I hope to see you in the next one. Make sure you check out my other 31 days, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.